Welcome to our garden. This is the time of year I like to talk about the fact that the garden belongs entirely to the plants. As you can see, the plants are all doing really well. They're growing really big, but there's certain parts of the garden that I can't even walk through. Here I'm able to walk, see our basil, our okra, our Malabar spinach, our peanuts, our ground cherries, and our tomatoes. I like to have access to our tomatoes through the summer. They're taller than me now here. However, as we walk through the garden, you'll see that there are some points, like right here, for instance, I can't really go any further. I can sort of step through here, but I can't go further that way. Because as you can see behind me, we've got the sorghum here. We've got our three sisters, the corn, beans, and squash, all through here. We have potatoes here. And basically the squash and the pumpkins and so on have filled our pathways, which is great for me, because the reason why I like this is, first of all, I like the idea of the garden belonging entirely to the plants, letting them grow, because I don't need to harvest them yet anyways, so I just give them the space. Because if it's hard for me to comfortably walk through the gardens, it'll also be hard for animals that might like to eat our vegetables, for them to walk through the garden, because you may be surprised to know that animals often have the same likes and dislikes as we do. They don't like thistles, they don't like thorns, they don't like to be crowded, they don't like not to be able to see. And so when the garden's really crowded with vegetables and with plants and so on, and with even like what I call companion plants, what other people might call weeds, it's difficult for the animals to walk through. And so the plants do better. And this is how we garden. We garden guided by nature. We garden using biodiversity. We garden using companion planting. And so we mix it up. And as you can see over here on the left here, you can see part of our contour. We have a very large thistle plant here. But what we also have through our contour, we have raspberries, we have roses, we have sage, we have yarrow, all sorts of plants, aromatic plants and so on. We have also different kinds of mint, all sorts of plants in order to protect the vegetables that are inside the garden. And things do really, really well. If you have any questions about what I've just spoken about, don't hesitate to leave a comment. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if there's anything you'd like me to talk about in future videos, this being our first, please don't hesitate to comment below. Have a great evening.